Professional indemnity insurance is one of those things that a lot of business owners think doesn't apply to them, and then find out the hard way that it does. So let me clear this up properly. Professional indemnity insurance, PI for short, covers you if a client suffers a financial loss because of an error, omission, or piece of advice that came from you or your business. It is not just for lawyers and accountants. It applies to consultants, architects, engineers, IT professionals, designers, marketing agencies, financial advisors, mortgage brokers, healthcare providers, and a wide range of other service businesses. Here is the key distinction. Public liability covers you if someone is physically injured or their property is damaged because of your work. Professional indemnity covers you if someone loses money because of advice or a professional service you provided. They are different risks and they require different policies. A practical example, you're a consultant who recommends a particular software implementation for a client. The implementation goes wrong and the client loses $60,000 in productivity and recovery costs. They sue you for that loss. Without professional indemnity, that claim and the legal costs to defend it, even if you win, comes out of your pocket. In New South Wales, certain professions and license categories are required by law to hold professional indemnity cover as a condition of their registration or license renewal. If you fall into one of those categories and you are operating without it, you are in breach of your license conditions. Check your specific license requirements before assuming you don't need it. Beyond the legal requirement, many commercial clients, government departments, and larger operators in Sydney will simply not engage you without a current certificate of currency showing your PI cover. It is becoming a standard contractual requirement across a wide range of industries. Now, let me talk about cost because this is where most people have no idea. For most small to medium businesses in Sydney, professional indemnity insurance runs between $80 and $280 a month, depending on your revenue, the number of employees you have, and the cover limit you choose. The difference in premium between a $5 million limit and a $20 million limit is often smaller than people expect, sometimes only $20 or $30 a month. When you are comparing policies, there are two things most people overlook. First, the excess. A policy with a lower premium and a $2,500 excess can cost you far more than a slightly higher premium with a $500 excess if you ever make a claim. Always compare the total cost including the excess, not just the monthly premium. Second, check whether the policy covers your specific activities. Policies written narrowly for one type of work may not cover everything your business does. If you work across multiple disciplines, confirm each one is explicitly covered. The fastest way to compare PI policies from multiple Australian insurers side by side is through the free insurance finder in the description. It takes about 10 minutes and gives you real quotes without you having to call a single broker.